Well, here we go again. On my last video, I told you the backyard would look a lot different today. That heavier band's going to be moving in the next hour or two. And you can see there's probably a good, if you look here at the beer can. There's a good, looks like a good solid inch. Well, actually, if you go down to the bare metal here, yeah, there's about an inch and a half, 2 inches. Pyro addicts will love that. I'm not gonna go get a tape measure, but that's a good inch and a half of new snow. So we got a long ways to go. All right, I don't want to get my camera messed up. My new phone here with snow, even though it's supposed to be waterproof. Anyway, I guess welcome to spring. Best way to welcome spring in is with a nice winter storm. You gotta love it. All right, I'm out. Dog wants to play. Beautiful spring day. Now it's really starting to come in. The heavier bands arrived. The snowflakes are coming in. The flakes are bigger and bigger. This is just getting crazy, man. There's probably about 3 inches there on my little tree stump table that I use in the summertime. I bring my little TV out when I got a fire going, watch TV. Grill top, bamboo. It's beautiful to look at. It's scenic. Temperature's not really that cold. We're sitting right around 30, 31 degrees. And the wind, there's not a lot of wind, so it's not terrible. But I mean, if you're from like LA, if you flew in from like, Southern California or Miami, Florida, you're in shorts and short sleeves, and you come to Cincinnati or Indianapolis or Louisville or Lexington, or basically anywhere from Des Moines, Iowa, all the way down through the Ohio Valley, Mississippi Valley, West Virginia, any of these areas, you're going to be like in for a shock. You're like, what is it, March 24th? Almost April, and it's snowing like a madman. Look at this. Look at the snow coming down. Oh, man. It's like a 5-to-1 ratio, so it's like incredibly easy to make a snowball. Look at this. Man. Look, you just take it. Bam! You got a snowball that quick. There's a lot of water in this snow. It's a really high moisture in here. Usually there's 10-to-1 ratios. This is like 5-to-1 snow, so really good packing snow, good snowman material. I mean, just barely touch it, and you got yourself a snowball. That's crazy. Packing in good. Man, dog's covered in snow, look. Oh. Blackjack. Or your new name, Bloodbath. But your little ear tumor's drying out, so I don't call you Bloodbath no more. Good thing I don't think it was cancer, so. Which is good, right? Because you're my dog. Had you for like over 12 years. Probably $10,000 in dog food, but that's what we do when we love our pets. Look at the snow coming down, guys. Some of you people are like, man, don't show this video, Yellow Groove. We don't like snow. We're ready for spring. Well, I'm ready for spring too, man, but what can you do? Yeah, I'm ready for cookouts and, sitting by the fire. I'm ready for the 4th of July already. I'm ready to plant a garden, plant some tomatoes, harvest some crops. But it's not going to happen for a while. Look at that perfect snowball material. I love this stuff, man. Man, I can make a snow cone. I can make a fortune. So, man, if I could save this until July or August, get some flavoring, go out on the curb, I can make a fortune selling snow cones. This stuff is crazy. Oh, it's cold too. This stuff is... I know, man. At first it was like, all right, but now the more I mess with it, my hands are getting a little cold. You dumbass Yellow Groove, you put some gloves on. Someone's going to say, watch, in the comments, Yellow Groove, you dumbass. How come you didn't put gloves on? Because I don't plan to stand out here very long. Just wanted to bring you guys a little video here. That's all. I'll come out later. See if I got a shovel or not. I threw some salt down to pre-treat the driveway. You can see the patio's getting covered. Big, fluffy, heavy, wet snow. Big snowflakes coming down now. God, look at this stuff. Trees. Alright, that's about it. Video's getting long enough. Got some massive flakes coming down now, man. I just cleaned off this grill top to get a pretty accurate measurement. Looks like I got about 2 and right around 2.5 inches of snow, looks like. Well, I just cleared this off. Look at that, watch. Look how big these flakes are coming down. Within a few seconds of wiping that clean, it's already trying to get covered back up again. Look at these flakes coming down, man. This is just insane. Look at that. Crazy. Some of these flakes are like the size of dimes. Wow, look at that. Wow, I did a measurement over here. I cleaned that step off. That's already covered up. Chairs are all covered up. I mean, the snow's really hammering now. Look at this stuff, man. It's really starting to hammer. That heavier band's coming in now. It's really starting to kick in. Look at that. Crazy, huh? Alright, that's enough. Oh, the poor daffodils in the snow. They're not going to be blooming for a while. Look at that. Daffodils in the snow. Boy, winter wonderland. It's really hammering here. You can see my footsteps here. Look at this, man. Crazy. Pine trees, everything is covered in snow. Big flakes coming down now. Whole yard is just covered in snow. Look at the bushes. Look at the bushes. Winter wonderland. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, how I love thee. It's not Christmas. It's going on April. It's the end of March. But it is beautiful. About 5:30 p.m. It's the third video. Look at that, huh? Look at that. This tree here's got so much snow on it. There's no snow on this part of the sidewalk here. But man, let me pan over this way. Our footsteps, there's sure a lot of snow over here. This is just amazing. For this late in the year, they had this much snow. Some great packing snow. Look at that, huh? Instant snowball material. Beautiful. It's coming down like gangbusters. You guys remember that old saying? Just solid white. Beautiful. Check it out, man. Made a little path in the snow. Leading up to the walkway here. Winter wonderland. Pretty cool, man. YG, Yellow Grove, baby, in the snow. It's written now. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Shout out to Winter Storm. Shout out to Mother Nature. Shout out to my AV crew. Got the AV going. Nice.